What's up, good people? In this video I'm going to show you how you can see your Facebook password. Many people have already logged into Facebook, but maybe they forgot their password. You must be able to remember your password very well, so that because you never know, you might lose your phone or something might happen, and you might need to retrieve your password. Let me show you how to see your Facebook password when you are still logged in. Okay, what you do here, click on your profile picture here. Now go to settings. Okay, then click on Meta Account Center here. Okay, you will see your profile. Just come scroll down and click password and security. Okay, now click on change password. Click on your profile once again, the arrow. Now you'll see place for current password, new password, and retype password. Just tap on current password and give it time. Okay, you will see your accounts here. For instance, here I have 2 accounts. I can see my current password by clicking on the account and clicking on this I button. You see, I can be able now to see my current Facebook password without much struggle. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.